Hey guys! So I'm back with another tutorial. As you can see from the title, it's going to be another SHIRO tutorial. Well, just a better SHIRO tutorial because my makeup have changed a lot since the first time versus now the last time, as you can see. And I'm also going to do both versions. So his three-colored wig, oh my god, I need to think that out, and his white color wig, because white eyebrows can be a pain in the ass, but I hope you learn something from this. So let's get started. First off, I'm wearing these gray lenses for SHIRO. I'll put a link in the description which one they are, because I don't know the name of them. So yeah, let's get started. So that was basic part of the makeup. I'm going to start off with the brown eyebrows. I will do my eyebrows before I do my eye makeup. That's just my way of doing. So you can see the complete look first with the brown eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to do the eyeliner. You can either way use like a liquid eyeliner, one with those tips. Works just fine. Or you can use gel eyeliner, which I prefer. because it's, in my opinion, it is a little bit more black when you apply it. But that's your choice. So I'm going to use gel eyeliner and make this outstanding wing of Shiro. Okay, so now for the scar, I bought this, which is like water-based stage makeup, like, I don't know how you call it in English. And I mix it with some orange, reddish, and white. And then I use a little brush. Focus. This little brush, dip it in water, mix the colors until I got what I want. Okay, so I don't think you can see this, but like this is the color right now, which is like a pinkish brown. Because Shiro's scar is brownish, but I don't want to be too dark, so mixing the colors to get a little bit pink underneath helps it. But still, it's always search for the right color. If you can find like the right color just in like this or something, or the smaller one, then you make it yourself a lot easier, but I don't, so never mind. That's makeup. And now I'll be putting on the wig. So this is my beautiful wig. I've made a glued hairline because I thought it was more aesthetic. Because of the glued hairline, I need to really fix my hair to the sides. The top doesn't really matter much, but the sides need to be, you know, even. So I normally won't do today, but normally I would use some bday. This is really good, just like regular glue stick, and I use that to the sides of my hair so they stay back really nicely. But since I'll be changing wigs later, I'm not going to do that. To glue these sides, I'm using some eyelash glue, just whatever brand you prefer, and then I glue these sides down. That's my SHIRO makeup. Oh man, I love this boy so much. As you can see, Space Daddy is ready. So now you've seen the first part of the tutorial, and now I'm going to wipe these brows off and start with the white version. Okay, clean brows. The things we need for white eyebrows. they're not perfectly white, but since I have pretty dark eyebrows, it does make a change if you do it like this. And maybe if you can do more of the white mascara, they can become whiter. But I actually like it that you can still see a little bit of my eyebrows. It gives a more realistic look. So, time to put on my wig. There we have it. So, same as for the other wig, I use a glue stick for my hairline, and then the sides doing with eyelash glue. But these I've made a little bit longer, so it's easier to fit it on your head. Now time to change the outfit. I hope you liked this new SHIRO tutorial. I know VOLTRON has already ended quite some time and I'm still sad about it. I really love VOLTRON. I can't express it enough. You all see it from my videos and all the rest. I will continue cosplaying SHIRO because it's my way, and I hope still people keep the VOLTRON fandom alive. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.